How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. This Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Raven Outlook. I am back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and yes, I am back with a fan favorite model by the name of the Raven, and this time we are naming it the Raven Outlook because, as you can see here, we chose to add an abundance of windows off of the end with that bay window concept. So for those of you that enjoyed the original Raven that we showcased just a few weeks back, that one had a porch on it. This time we listened to you. You said, Mr. Tiny, what about if I don't want a porch? I want more views. Well, I got you, sweetheart. Don't worry. Today, I'm showcasing the Raven Outlook. And before I go any further, I want to make sure that you know the price right up front. So this Raven Outlook is coming in at 11 feet wide, 35 feet long, and it's on sale today for $95K. $95,000, you'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And what makes the Raven Outlook so special is the exterior curb appeal. When you pull up to this home, you're going to see all of that bay window goodness there off of the end of the home, but also it is boasting the James Hardy board and bat siding going around the entire home that you'll see there. We also chose to add an accent in the bump out as well as the door and fascia in black. And of course, that complements the black metal roof. So all of that piled together gives you the Raven Outlook, and I love it for the fact that on either side of the home, you will see it has tons of curb appeal because it has the continuous eave running below your clear stories. Again, it has the eyebrow right here on the front wall. Eyebrow meaning the area that gives the rock eyebrow right there for you. So we just give it those coin and terms so that way you know what exterior aesthetic you want. So that way when you're customizing your home, you've already watched Mr. Tiny and you can contact me and say, I want those eyebrows on the front of my home. And with that said, tons of curb appeal on the exterior, but it gets even better on the inside. So go ahead and follow me to the interior of the Raven Outlook. And now we're on the interior of the Raven Outlook. And before I go any further, quick reminder for anyone that is interested in short form content, all you have to do is run on over to our YouTube channel, the section that says Shorts. Click on that and you will see 2-minute versions of these videos that I showcase on the channel. Those videos are especially for you that do not have the time to watch the full-length videos, and I'm leaving these full-length videos for the clients that want the educational and the in-depth walkthrough of each and every tour. So please go check out the shorts, make sure to hit the thumbs up and continue to support. Now, let's continue on with the main video here, and you'll see as soon as we enter the Raven Outlook, the interior living area is everything and more that you want when downsizing into a 399 square foot tiny home. With going with the non-porch option and the bay windows that automatically puts your door on the side of the home. So when you enter the home from the side, you're going to come right in and your first focal point is going to be that shiplap accent wall going from the floor all the way to the ceiling with the 2 clear stories centered there on the main wall with 1 window even higher. That gives you tons of space down low to accommodate your sofa. We also are going to have all of the windows up front here on the front wall. That's 4 down low, 4 up top. And again, just the raised sidewalls in this home make it larger than life. We have a black Duffy ceiling fan there hanging down, and you have the space here where we just chosen to add a window over here to the corner to allow you adequate space to place most size TVs. So you can simply mount that or place it on a TV console. Keep in mind, you're going to have clear story windows up high on this side as well. But what I like is the open concept. You have all this space here in the living area that leads directly into your kitchen, where in the kitchen, you're going to have a abundance of countertop space, where you're going to have drawer bank here, the one basin stainless farm sink, window up above that. We went ahead and went with the white backsplash with the subway tile, and then we added the mosaic accent band going throughout the center. Again, all of your cabinetry in here, soft close, so you have that option as well. Stainless steel appliances, smooth top oven. We have your air fryer, microwave right here, convection oven, I should say. We have that right above your stove. But I also want to point out this is a lofted model as well. And that loft is going to be centralized just over the center of the home, so you do not have to worry about sacrificing the height in the bedroom. So just over the center where your refrigerator is, your pantry, your washer and dryer area, and your bathroom. That's where the ceiling height lowers. Everywhere else in the home, as you can see, has a much higher ceiling height. But I love the fact of how we went with the privacy rails there on that loft to add a little bit more privacy there, but it also looks really cool. Now, as we come around, you'll see right here underneath the stairs, we've added an access door that you can place for storage. Some people use that as a pet nook. The options are endless when you sit there and make the most out of every square foot in this home. Again, the refrigerator is going to be here centered in the hallway. You have a couple of compartments up above, full-size pantry in a tiny home. Yes, I do. Yes, I will. And then you'll see right here across from the pantry space, you have a sliding door right here, pocket door that leads directly in to your bathroom. And in the bathroom, you're going to have the wraparound counter with your sink angled with a medicine cabinet there centered, illusion window to the side, linen cabinet up above right here, and then right across we have a huge tub shower combo. So we have that in here. We went ahead and went with the Carrera tile in a horizontal pattern, and then we went with the Savoy mosaic accent band going around, and even added that to the dual niches right there in your tub shower combo also. So for anybody that loves to scrub a dub in the tub, you have the option. But for those of you that don't have the time to sit down and relax, those short form content people, you can take a shower, make it quick, get in and get out, and you're good to go. So follow me back through, and you'll see right here that we have a stackable washer and dryer area for you. And then before you go into the bedroom, keep in mind, this room is going to be magnificent for anyone that does not want to sacrifice loft height. As you can see when you come in here, oh yeah, you have 11 feet sidewalls, 11-foot sidewalls here, and that shiplap is showing every inch there for you. And clear story there, the black Duffy ceiling fan, again centered. Window here off the rear of the home. We have the bifold door on each side, drawer bank here centered, and then the area right here is where you can have the ability to place a TV or some additional decor. We finish out the top of our countertops. If you're subscribed like you should be, you already know that. So that adds additional storage space as well. And then even with the bifold doors, you can see here in the closet space, again, you have hanging space, shelf, and then additional storage down below. Now go ahead and follow me back through, and you'll see as we come out how this floor plan opens up. You can see so much natural light and windows going around. But what I love about it is that the fact that the loft stairs are off to the side wall. So they're not centered in the home. They're off to the side and allow a great walk space from front to back. Great walkability in this floor plan. And again, those privacy slatted rails not only are in the loft, they're also on your handrail going up to the loft. But talk about that all day long. Go ahead and follow me up to the loft so I can show you how much space you have in the Raven Outlook. Now we're in the loft of the Raven Outlook, and you'll see right here, when you go with this particular model, the centralized loft is key. Because with the centralized loft, you still get the abilities and the conveniences of having a loft in a 399 square foot tiny home without all the sacrifice of the ceiling height. So we have clear story windows on each side of the loft. We finished out the flooring in the same material that you have in the main area of the home. So it's going to be the hard surface throughout the entire home. Also, you can use this space for lounging, sleeping, office. Opportunities are endless. Or a lot of clients just like putting their extra storage up here, putting your Christmas lights up here when you're not using them. You have the option of doing so when you go with the lofted model. What I love is the view. The view from here down to the main area, you'll see how much space you have to utilize in the 399 square foot tiny home. Tons of natural light, makes a lovely floor plan for anyone currently in the market and thinking about downsizing and wants to go into a tiny home. This may be the perfect one for you. And if you enjoyed this video tour, you let me know. But before I go any further, I want to run through the statistics one more time. Keep in mind, this Bayview Outlook is 11 feet wide, 35 feet long, and it's on sale today for $95K. $95,000, you'll get everything you've seen today besides furniture and decor. Now go ahead, please, for me, hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Also run down to the comment section. Let me know how you like this Raven Outlook compared to the original Raven I showcased earlier. Let me know if you prefer the porch or you prefer the bay windows on the end. Either option is great, but it works perfectly for you. So you let me know which one you like and we'll keep it coming in the future. Also hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. You're not part of the family. And I need more brothers and sisters. So hit that subscribe button so you can become part of the family and you can be notified when we drop these videos each and every week. And also, if you're interested in purchasing the Raven Outlook or any other model that I showcased on the channel, run on over to my Instagram or TikTok right now at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Raven Outlook as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram or TikTok. So you can contact me day or night and I'll make sure that price is right. Until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.